Welcome back to another video, and today we will be performing solution on another exercise of the calculate function. So this is the exercise for today, is like using the DAX calculate function to add the filters to measure in Power BI. So you can download this file. You can just go here, click here, the file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file. Now let's perform the solution on this. It's saying that add a measure called count old building to the building measure table. Use the calculate function to count the building where air opened field is less than 2000. Here is a reminder of syntax calculate function. So we will be using calculate function, and we will be using the count of the buildings where the air opened is less than 2000. So let's name it as count of old building, count old building, and we will use calculate function, and then expression is we will use count of building, comma, and building air opened is less than 2000. Let's check by putting this measure in our table if we are getting accurate values or not. So here, yes, we are getting, for example, in China there are 6, in United States there are 4 in the website, and in our PBI we also have 6, 4. So we are getting accurate values for this. Now it's saying that add another measure called percentage of old building, which divides the count old building by count buildings, and these we will add these measure into the matrix. We will divide count old building by count building. So it's like percentage of old building. So I will add one more measure. I will name it as percentage of old building, and then I will divide count of old building by count of buildings, and then I will add this function, this measure here, and I will format it as in percentage. So let's check if we are getting accurate values or not. So yeah, 12.77 percentage of old building we have in China, and 30.77 in United States. That's accurate. Till here we are okay. Now it's saying that add a new measure called count old tall building, which uses calculate function to apply the following filters. So we will now add one more count old tall building measure. So I will just make one more measure called count old tall building, and here we will be using calculate function, and with these filters, like add a new measure, we need to use 2 filters here. So we will count, like use calculate function, and we will use the old buildings, sorry, this count old building, and then filter is the air open field is less than 2000. Let's take this only, air open field less than 2000, comma, the next filter is check the height m field is greater than or equal to 400. Height m is greater than equal to 400. I will click enter here, and I will just take this in here, and if you see China 1, United States 1, China 1, United States 1, which is accurate. Now it's saying that modify the count old tall building measure so that it applies the following filters. It's saying that we need to count old tall building, this measure we need to change it. We will change it as the filter air open is less than 2000, which is accurate, we have already used it. Now it's saying that check the height of the field is greater than or equal to 400, or So now we will use or function. The floor above ground height, the floor above ground field is greater than equal to, okay. So I will click here, I will go here this, and I will use or like this, and then I will use floor above ground greater than or equal to 100, and I will click enter. When I clicked enter, you see that here earlier it was 1, now it's 3, it's changed. So we use this symbol as an OR operator. So now for China we are getting 1, and for United States we are getting 3, 1 and 3. Yep. So yes, this is the final answer, and yes, we are getting it. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.